Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here in Nolens at SC14 at the General Atomics booth, and I'm here with Bob Murphy. Bob, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Rich. It's great to see you again.
Yeah, we were just saw each other in Heidelberg not long ago. Beers on a boat, as I recall.
Beers on a boat, and at least one of us has beers here in New Orleans.
Yeah,
I'm not saying.
Okay, well, fair enough. But why don't we start with the beginning, because some people might not know, who is General Atomics and who do you help?
Yeah. So as many people know, General Atomics is a huge conglomerate company making everything from, perhaps our most famous product today is the Predator drone. And we also do a significant amount of fusion research, energy research in La Jolla. And that's the group that I'm part of, the Energy and Advanced Concepts group of General Atomics.
Okay, so what are you guys showing off here at Supercomputing?
So we have a product called Nirvana. It's a sophisticated data management product that takes metadata out of existing storage systems and populates it into a relational database, so we can do a bunch of analysis and queries on the data that people are storing over time. And after that, what people do is then they add very workflow-specific metadata to better track that data through its life cycle, analyzing things like how it's processed, who accesses it, what software is used to process various versions of the data, and that is becoming more and more important as open science and medical and translational medicine requires people to basically hit the record button as all these transforms happens to data, and then the results data has to be verified through all its steps to make sure that the data has gone through the right procedures and it's accessed by the right people, etc.
Okay, well, I'm curious as to the origins of this. Did you guys develop this for your own purposes with the fusion research, or where'd it come from?
So we do use it internally for a variety of reasons. Fusion research, the Predator drones, the video signals coming down from that, the data is stored within Nirvana. But where it came from, and a lot of people ask that, how General Atomics get into this end of the business, is that General Atomics used to run the San Diego Supercomputing Center. And the San Diego Supercomputing Center is the origin of this product, SRB, which is well known to a lot of people in the field here. And Reagan Moore was an employee of General Atomics. He developed SRB, and that product was distributed throughout research and universities, and General Atomics distributes it on a commercial basis through licensed software. And then, as you know, Reagan has, he left San Diego Supercomputing Center about 5 or 6 years ago and has started a open source type of product very similar to this called iRods. So iRods and SRB are sort of the Lustre and GPFS versions of metadata management software.
Okay, so it would seem that, you know, the need for this has never been greater, and with all this explosion of data, right? Everything's about big data these days. You guys seem to have something to help people track it, and that sounds like a unique solution to me.
It is. iRods does it too, but we do it on the commercial side. Yeah. And just as you said, the time for this product has come, because as you know, the industry has provided just the ability of customers to pack rat petabytes and petabytes of data now. And even though the industry has created these systems that can scale out and can scale to these massive amounts of data, they've just become these, what we call data junkyards. No one knows what's inside these data silos anymore. And as people build up these data junkyards over time, investigators come in and out, projects come in and out. They're afraid to go in and start, removing data because they don't know what's inside of it anymore. So they go off and buy more storage. And so what this product is used for is to go in and we scan all the files in the file system. We could scan at 2,000 files per second, scan up to 500 million files in these systems, and we provide all the information and analysis so the people that run these systems, the administrators and the owners of these systems, can go in and see who's storing what data, what's clogging up the system, what hasn't been touched in several years, and they use that to better manage their data, stop buying expensive storage, move off to slower tier storage, move things off the tape, and it just provides just a better handle of what they're storing now.
Well, that's my last question for you. To use this, do I have to buy the storage from you and the whole storage system? I already have a storage system.
Yeah, use your existing storage system. We latch onto your existing storage system. and we scan the files in your storage system, pull out the metadata, and we put it into a relational database, Postgres, Oracle, and from there, then we do all the analysis. So that does a couple things. It leaves the your storage system all by itself, so it's not doing any of these scanning functions.
Right.
So it just keeps running along, and we do all the analysis, offline outside the machine, and it's just a relational database. So all the features and functionality that people are associated with a relational database, we have. So that's how we are able to pull this off.